How to turn off Discord in game overlay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off the Discord in-game overlay step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, go ahead and open up the Discord app. And here, make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside the Discord app, at the left hand side, just look at the bottom right corner and there you can see the gear icon. So simply click on it. And here, once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the user settings. And now here, once you're inside the user settings, on the left hand side, if you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as Game Overlay under the Activity Settings section. So simply click on it, and now here at the top of this section you'll see a toggle labeled Enable In-Game Overlay. So simply toggle it off, and after that a pop-up menu will appear asking for the reason for you to toggle this option off. So here you can just give it a reason and submit it, or you can simply skip it, and that's it. And now here, by toggling it off, this will disable the overlay across all games, so you won't see any Discord notification or menus while gaming. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.